everybody, it's Rain here and we are at Snuff Pass Beach.
Check it out, guys. Look what we found. The Gulf of Mexico.
And look over here, it's Intracoastal.
Right here, you can see cactus. That is a prickly pear cactus. That little thing right there, that's an immature pear. Well, look at all this brush that's keeping the sun away from us. This is very handy if you don't want to get a sunburn, if you don't want to get dehydrated. Look what we just found. This is a sea grape. It's a Florida natural. This can be eaten like this, straight. It can be turned into jelly if you do it right, and it can be for your parents for their wine. It's salty. It kind of tastes like a cherry, and it has a pit like an olive. Other than that, it's pretty good.
As you can see here, there's a crab hole. And the reason why I'm covering it up because the crab has no air and it needs to come to the surface.
Hey everyone, look what we just found. All of these orange rings along the shoreline, these are turtle nests, sea turtle nests.
Shh! Look at this. My brother River found a blue heron. Let's be really quiet. He's trying to feed it. Let's see how close he gets.
Okay everyone, let's do a whole layout of all of my tackle. I didn't bring much, but I brought just enough. This one right here, this is, I've never used it, but it looks like it would go up like and move like this. Because that's what most lures do when they have that's called a spoon at the front. I have many of them like that. There's this one. You see that spoon right there? Where my shadow is? This one has it too. You see right there. Mainly the rest of these are for freshwater, mainly bass. Speaking of bass, I like this one because, well, it is a bass. This is one of the more unique ones that I just like to show off. I don't really fish with it. You don't see bass lures because you're mainly trying to catch bass. Hey, look what I found. This is a box fish. Notice the horns? They keep it protected from predators. Look at how the whole thing is just a giant exoskeleton. Look what I found. Looks like a crab. Looks like crab legs. This is a claw, the pincher claw, and this is one of their feet. This is where we picked those sea grapes that we ate earlier. These are really good.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.